Mark, you're going to replace this one?
Mm-hmm.
Mark right above it. There you go. That way Mark stays on there. Okay, we're going to be doing a repair test, replacing the shingle just below the chalk mark, which means we will have to detach the nails out of the one we're replacing, plus the one right above it. In order to replace that, we have to lift the two shingles above. Yep. Already see some granular displacement right along that line there. Alrighty, look there, you can see where the granular loss is coming off right there, creasing right where you had to pull it up a little bit. And because of that, that would be considered a fail. That's going to, so this one is now damaged. This one here is now damaged, and we would have to replace it. In order to replace it, we're going to have to come up a couple more, going wider each way, causing more damage as we go. Take your chalk and just write F-A-I-L.